Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to use my customizable financial model that is customized for an office space / co-work business. I want to show you all how to use that model to create your pro forma financial projections. So the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we are then going to take a look at my customized financial model that is, again, customized for the office space / co-work industry. I'm going to show you all how to customize it, make it yours, and then prepare your financial projections for this type of business. And finally, at the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a link that you can go ahead and click on if you want to purchase my office space / co-work business plan template, which includes a Word document as well as the financial model that we're going to cover in this video. All right, as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if you all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan for your office-based company, or you just need some help with the financial projections, again, be delighted to do those items for you. Just pick up the phone, call me, send me a text, give me a call, and we'd have a great conversation as to how I can assist. I am also a published author, and I'm a published author on Amazon.com, so check me out there. I've written several books on business plan writing. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So again, if you do need some assistance in those financial projections, you don't want to mess around with templates, tutorials, and all that good stuff. You just want those financial projections done. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. All right, so if you do purchase my office-based business plan template, it does come with, like I said, the Word document as well as a financial model. This beautiful thing right here is the financial model, and then the co-star of the show is the Word document that's customizable for your office space. So that's covered in a separate tutorial. So when you do download the financial projection model, it does have 4 tabs: your information tab, your projection tab, your profit and loss tab, and your income statement. So once you update the information on the information tab, anywhere in the darker colored cells, once you update that information, then it will immediately roll into the projections, the profit and loss, which covers your first 12 months, month to month, and then your income statement, which covers your income projections for annually for the first 5 years. All right, so like I said, on this information tab, this is the tab that y'all do want to make all your changes to. And the way this is broken down, again, is broken into categories. The first category is your revenues. Second category is your labor. Third category is your startup cost. Fourth category is your monthly fixed cost. Then we've got miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then finally your loan information. So the way the revenue section breaks out is that I do give you all a revenue, a sales line, which is a number of tenants. So this is the number of tenants you're going to have at your office space. For this example, we're saying that you're going to have 15 tenants, whether it be actual physical tenants or virtual tenants or what have you. But that's the number of that's the number of tenants that I am using in this facetious model. Average price charge for rent is $1,500. And then variable cost, I'm saying, is 5%. So these numbers right here can be changed. If you're going to have 10 tenants, and change it to 10. If your rent is going to be, if you're going to charge $2,000 a month per tenant on average, and change it to $2,000. Whatever it's going to be, this is the information that this is the areas that you're going to change. Also, this financial model is broken up into monthly segments. So this one says daily, but it's really monthly. So we'll change that to monthly. And then we'll change this to monthly as well. So these are monthly sales, because typically when you do office space, you are going to lease it out on a monthly basis. So it is structured on a monthly basis. The next section is your labor. First line is going to be how much money do you want to get paid? And this area right here, you can definitely change this. You can add more money or deduct more money, but you can change the salary. That's up to you. Employees right here. These are just how many employees you're going to have. If you're going to have 3 employees, put 3. If you're going to have 0 employees, put 0. Average rate of pay. And then 172 hours, that just represents a 40-hour work week. The next section is our startup cost. The first two lines is your equity investment and also a loan. So this is the money that you're going to use to fund the company. And then the rest of the sections is where you're going to spend that funded money that is given to you. So the first line right here is going to be your equity investment. How much money you're coming out of pocket. For this example, I'm saying it's $50,000. And then the second line is your loan. If you're taking out a loan for $150,000, if your loan's only going to be $50,000, then change it right there. So whatever it's going to be, make that change there. Just keep in mind when you do change this loan section right here, it does automatically populate down here to your loan information section. So once you get to the loan information section, you're going to put in the interest rate that you're going to be paying on your loan, or you expect to be paying, and then also your term. How many years are you going to take the loan out for? Once you put those two pieces of information, this information right here is already populated. Your payment is calculated and then populates throughout the financial model. The next sections right here, again, in these darker color cells, these are cells, areas that you can change, and these titles right here can be changed as well. But these four titles right here are static. They can't be changed. If you change them, you might mess up the model, so don't do it. So for the build out, if you're not going to have a build out, put 0 or whatever your build out is going to be. And then these categories right here, just whatever your categories are going to be for your startup costs, just put that information there, and then put aligned funding that's needed for each one of the categories. Your next section is your monthly fixed cost. So for this right here, it's going to be your rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising, and other. These titles right here are static. They can't be changed, but these numbers right here can be changed. So just whatever your estimates are, go ahead and put that information there. Next section is miscellaneous information. It's your tax rate. Whatever your tax rate is going to be, just put it there. And then for the growth rates, you're just going to put whatever your growth rates are going to be. So for growth rates for revenues for year 1 through 5, you can change them here. And then right here is you can go ahead and make your changes for your expected growth for each one of your various costs. All right, so once this information is changed on this tab right here, it does, like I said, it populates and updates this chart here and all this information over here. This chart is a bonus for y'all. It's not included in the template, but you can copy and paste and add it in there if you like. And it also does populate your next 12-month profit and loss statement projections. And then it also populates your income statement as well. So once you're done updating the financial model, you do want to go ahead and copy and paste this information into your business plan template. So what you'll do is you'll copy, for example, you'll copy your income statement. Then you'll go over to your Word document and you'll go to the section that you're going to update. For this example, we're going to be doing the pro forma income statement. We're going to get rid of the old statement. We're going to delete it. And we're going to hit Control V, which will insert the new income statement. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful and it gives you an idea as to what to expect if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template for co-work / office space. This is what you'll be able to utilize. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up and call it an evening or a day. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in buying the financial model, it does come with the Word document, as well as the financial model that I just showed y'all. Also, there are some limitations to the template. First, it's not compatible with Apple products or Google Docs, so you do need Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. If you have questions or you want to have a conversation about the office space / co-work business plan template, you want to bounce some questions off me, have a conversation about it before you buy, be delighted to do so. Just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. However, after you purchase the office space / co-work business plan template and you do need some assistance, I do provide you all with several tutorials, and you can access these tutorials before you buy. Just go to this link right here. But if you are interested in buying the template, then just go to this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want this business plan written, I do write custom business plans for this industry as well as others. Just pick up the phone, send me a text, give me a call. Be delighted to do so for you. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money. Have a great day. Give me a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe. Thank you.